Hello again. My name is Michael Denoyer, and it is the 2nd of October 2020. The backside of this card is my notes for reference. I'll put that down right here. So in this assignment, we were we were instructed to go over one of the modules that we previously studied and pick out an organ. So I decided to go with the musculoskeletal system because as an independent duty corpsman and in the military, we typically see a lot of soft tissue injuries and injuries involving the joints of the shoulder, back, neck, and knee. And in particular, the masseter is one of the most strongest muscles in the body, which kind of fascinated me. So I decided to pick the masseter. So the clinicians that typically deal with musculoskeletal type injuries is usually sports medicine physicians. Or you'll have physical therapists. A lot of pro athletes will also go out and see exercise psychologists, and then depending on what's going on, you can neurology can be involved, and so can rheumatologists. But again, the majority of the injuries are typically seen by sports medicine clinicians. In the event that the injury involves surgical repair, it's typically orthopedic surgeons or plastic surgery that will be doing that treatment. So again, like I said, I picked the masseter. It's one of the strongest muscles in the body, and it plays a major role in chewing, along with three other muscles. You have your temporalis, and then your medial and lateral paraptegoid. The masseter is innervated by cranial nerve 5, trigeminal, and it sits anterior to the TMJ, and it's attached to the zygomatic arch right here, your cheekbone, down to the superficial side of the ramus of the mandible here. Again, it's a kind of long, fibrous, rectangular muscle that assists in the mastication process. So with that, please let me know if you have any questions, but that concludes my my brief summary of the physicians, the surgeons and clinicians that will treat musculoskeletal injuries, as well as the masseter, where it's located, and what it does. So thank you, and have a good day.